So the Northwest Ordinance is the for the Northwest Territory is passed in 1787. So the Northwest Ordinance is passed in 1787, and it does several things. But the big thing here is it's a plan for adding states to the Union. And the Union means the United States of America, and so it's the same territory that we've been talking about. Some key things. One of the biggest things, the most important things you need to remember about this ordinance prohibits slavery in these territories. Thomas Jefferson writes the Northwest Ordinance, and he prohibits slavery in these territories. Now, one of the other big things here is that once a territory reached a population of 60,000, they could apply for statehood. But what is the step between 60,000 and what happens until then? Well, Congress would appoint a governor of a territory. They would serve a term of about 3 years, and then as soon as they reached a population of 5,000 free men, they could then have an assembly that, in other words, an elected legislature to pass the laws for that territory. So they get an assembly once they have 5,000. So between 0 and 5,000, there may be just a governor over the territory. Once they reach 5,000, then there's a governor and an assembly. Now, the Congress appoints the governor. So the Congress has some control over the territory until it applies for statehood once it has 60,000, a population of 60,000 people. And so that's just the keys there. So the Northwest Ordinance is the process for becoming a state. The Land Ordinance is the process of settling that territory.